In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search multiple destinations on Google Flights. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. When the page loads, you'll see the main dashboard with the search fields across the top. Look for the trip type control that usually says round trip. Click that drop down and switch it to multi-city. This tells Google you want to plan a journey with more than one leg, instead of a simple there and back ticket. Once multi-city is selected, the search area expands into multiple rows. Each row represents one flight in your itinerary. In the first row, enter your starting city and your first destination. Think of this as Flight 1, City A to City B. In the next row, enter the following segment: Flight 2, City B to City C. If your trip includes more stops, click Add Flight to create additional legs and keep building your route until your itinerary matches your plan. Next, choose dates for each leg. You can pick different dates for every destination, which is perfect when you want to spend a few days in each city. As you set dates, consider leaving sufficient time between flights, especially if you're changing airports, and be mindful of time zones so arrival and departure days align with your plans. When everything looks right, click Search. Google will compile options for your entire trip and show combinations that match your legs and dates. Here, you can compare prices, airlines, and total travel times across the full itinerary. Take a moment to review connection durations and any overnight segments to make sure the plan is realistic for you. When you're ready to book, choose a booking partner, either the airline directly or a trusted travel site, and click Select on the option you want. Repeat that selection for the next destination segment as prompted. You'll see a summary of your chosen multi-city flights, then click Continue to proceed. For many multi-city itineraries, Google Flights will take you to partner websites to purchase separate tickets for each leg. Confirm the price on each booking page, review baggage rules and change or refund policies, and make sure passenger details match your travel documents exactly. When prompted, click Continue and complete the purchase for each destination segment one by one. That's it. You've built and booked a multi-city trip using Google Flights. With multi-city, you can line up complex routes, see total cost at a glance, and choose the partners you prefer, all while keeping your itinerary organized from start to finish.